Hey guys, welcome back. This is our first official vlog after the Taiwan series. We're going to Watson, and then I also need an adapter for my new lamp. Should I call it lamp? Or a mini lamp sa Taiwan. So, gusto ko na siyang gamitin. So, pupunta tayo ng Ace Hardware. This is the lamp that I was pertaining earlier. So, dyan ko muna siya kinabit kasi I need this one. Kasi yung ganito niya. So, pag directly, nakaganito siya. So, ang pangit. Kasi this is a lantern. So, nakita na ko. That's why I also bought a mini version. Hopefully, it flies. Sorry. Joke. But, I need this kind of adapter para pwede ko siyang ikabit ng ganito. Tapos, syempre, i-on natin. Something like that. So, it's very cute. Diba? You validate me. Joke. Yeah, I really like this mini lamp. That's why gusto ko na siya gamitin. It's just that kung hindi ko siya dito ilalagay, saan ko siya ilalagay? Kasi lahat ng saksakan ko ay malapit sa sahig. So, hindi siya showcase masyado. I'm ready to leave. Di na muna tayo mag-aayos ng hair masyado para makapagpahinga tayo sa wax and hairspray. So, this is like natural. Natural. So, this is fresh from the bath look hair. Walang any products para makapagpahinga yung anit and then yung mga strand. But syempre, di tayo pwede umalis nang hindi nagpapabango. So, ano kayang pabango ang gusto ko ngayon? Maybe I'll choose this one. So, it's a Clinique Happy. Orange. Alright. Yun lang, ready na ako. Alright, that's it. Let's go. OMG, ang kupit ko na lang lamp. Bumili lang ako ng bagong lamp para dun sa corner. We're here at Ace Hardware sa loob ng Dep Store. We're looking for the adapter. Parang gusto ko nito. Kasi acrylic yung sakto. I plan na maglagay ng lamp dun sa taas ng shoe cabinet ko, which is acrylic din siya. So, here's what I'm using, I think. Kasi parang, ano siya, rotating. So, I think this is good naman kung hindi talaga siya since it's Lux Organics pa rin naman yung brand niya. So, I'll take this one and then another one since this is buy one, take one. Excuse me, ate. Excuse me, ate. Saan po yung CosRX na facial wash? Thank you. Isang ulan, tatayuin ito. Mission accomplished for today. We have adapter, we have our Watson goodies, and then we also have Starbucks, our favorite drink. No, it's not our favorite drink. Yun lang talaga yung kailangan natin drink. We're here sa Ace Hardware. So this one is in Alex. So scouting ng lamp na maganda. Na may lukso ng dugo. Guys, so just got back home. So what we're gonna do is lilinisin natin each gulong by this baby wipes para mailagay natin yung carpet. Guys, ang tsaka nang nabili natin. Bitin siya. Tapos mukha siyang ewan langanin. So, try to make solid of this rice. And then, bibili tayo ng bigger. Ayan, better na yung size. Hindi na siya mukhang awkward. And I feel like mas okay din yung color and design na napili ko than the previous one.